Notcoin, the twin of Toncoin, is pumping. How far can it still go and what's it all about? You'll see in this video, so without any further ado, let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Phil Prince, your one and only stop for crypto finance and trading. So Notcoin started an impressive rally, as you can see here. And that's after sideways action for 10 days because it launched on May 16th and ranged till May 26th. But before we have a look at the price chart and some technical analysis, let's see what this is all about. And to quote the official website of Notcoin, it's probably nothing. Also, the Notcoin white paper is very impressive as it has nothing in it. So let's go back to the website and see what's hiding there as well. So there's some information here. As we can see, beta phase started in December 31st, and the mining phase on January 1st, and then we had Toncoin. And that was the birth of Notcoin. In 3 months, 35 million people joined Notcoin and became the community, which you can join on Telegram, of course. And if we have a look at it, it's 7.3 million subscribers to the Notcoin Telegram community. And not to forget, the big brother of Notcoin, Toncoin, was initiated by the founders of Telegram. So that explains the connection here. Then if we go further on the website, it says, so friends, now it is your turn to find out what Notcoin really is. You can explore, you can play, you can contribute, you can earn, buy, or sell. Notcoin is what you want it to be. Building phase. Ooh. Right, now if we have a look at what is Notcoin, we are redirected to a Telegram post here. And on top it says Notcoin is not a bullshit, all right? It's not like other coins. Notcoin is different. No investors, no big whales, no shady schemes, $0 spent on marketing, pure community-driven growth to 0.44% of the Earth population. Also, Notcoin doesn't pretend to be something. Everyone is tired of the shill, buy this, buy that, new gem, alpha. We say it's probably nothing and never overpromise. Better to build value than create perception. That's really cool. Also, it says Notcoin is not this channel. It's not the team. It's not a token. Notcoin is a way of doing things shared by thousands of communities, millions living souls. That is quite philosophical. I don't know if I should call this a meme coin. But even if we want to call it a meme coin, don't forget that this is officially made by Toncoin. And Toncoin is number 10 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the whole crypto market with $15.4 billion in market cap. So normally meme coins are built by other teams on some network, for example, Solana or Base Chain or whatever, but Notcoin is built directly by the Toncoin team. Therefore, you could call it an official meme coin. And I have to say it's kind of a high-class meme coin due to its presentation. Now let's see what else is there to discover. If we click on the tokenomics, we are presented with another Telegram post here. And here we can see it has a total supply. 78% of that total supply goes to miners and vouchers, and 22% of the supply goes to new users and next phases. Also here in the bottom it says, and we will burn a lot, of course. And that brings us to the next section on the website here, burn. And as it says here, it allows everyone to burn their Notcoin and therefore reduce supply. Also, Notcoin itself burned the highest amount of Notcoin already, and then two other users, Whale and Catizen. But as it says here, everyone can do it. You have to connect your wallet and then select how much you want to burn. Why would you do that? Well, in order to support the network. And if many people do this, supply will shrink, price will likely go up. But of course, the tokens you burn are gone. So of course, you won't make any return on these tokens afterwards. Well, and then it says we can join the community once again and buy the token, which is already possible on major centralized exchanges, for example, Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io. Binance alone has a combined 56% of all the volume traded of Notcoin. And as it lives on a ton network, we unfortunately cannot have a look at on-chain data with my token demand analyzer. And most of the trading, 80%, is controlled through Binance, Bybit, and OKX, which is a black box anyway. Now, as this is intertwined with Toncoin, we at least can have a look at how Toncoin performs as the top 10 of the crypto market. First and foremost, we can see that the total value locked for Toncoin is seeing all-time high after all-time high, which is very bullish. And we can also see the addresses, meaning the wallets, new users most probably, coming into the network very steep here. Only from May 16th, where we had 19.4 million addresses, we grew to 27.7 million addresses in 2 weeks. And if you recall, May 16th, this is the day Notcoin launched. So I suspect this increase in Toncoin addresses is driven by Notcoin. All right, let's hop over to the chart. Now, obviously we don't have too much price action yet, but nevertheless, using my indicators and strategies, we can find something out here. So on launch day, we had an initial crazy pump, big wick, then creep down for 10 days. So why do the indicators start at this very point here? This is because they need a look back, and this has been established with this phase. So the calculations are not only based on real-time information, but also on past information here. Now, as you can see here on the 4-hour chart, we already have 2 signals by my Philprints reversal bands. And these occur when we had a very strong move that brought us inside the bands and we closed below it again. And this level is then what we have to monitor for further evaluation, candle closes and so on. And as momentum is very strong here, we got a fake out, as you can see here. We closed below it, but immediately in the next candle closed above it again. And that was the signal to continue the rally. Here again, we went inside the band, close below them again. This is the level to watch, and this is also what we are struggling with here. So as you can see here, we're trying to establish it as support, but these wicks show that bulls and bears are fighting at the moment. So if bears succeed to push price below and close price below this level, then the likelihood for a breakdown is increasing rapidly. And this could bring us once again to this level here. Also, we have this moving average here. If we elongate this here, this is also a possible price target. Then if we measure this local move here, you can see that the 0.618 is also in this region here. So once again, in case of a breakdown here, this is short-term the ultimate zone to go to. If that happens, we have to evaluate further. If in fact this level holds, this will likely continue the rally. And the first very easy to pick price target is the top range of this wick. And this is because these big wicks here are holding liquidity that has to be taken. So at some point we will of course visit this. So if we pump up from here, will we immediately go here? That I don't know, of course. But what I can tell you is if we take the Fibonacci tool here once again, for this move here, we can see that we went to the 2.618 with the next short-term up move. And if we do the same for this move here, you can see that the very short-term target in case of continuation is the 2.618 once again here. And that in turn means in case of a bullish scenario, this is the place to reevaluate. So on the 4-hour chart, it all depends on the reaction to this level. If we go to the 1-hour chart, we have a little more information, as you can see here. We already had a bullish level here that established itself as support after it was resistance. And actually was the starting point for this rally. Then we had our first potential reversal level here. Also established this as support here, pumped up from that. And at this very moment, we are fighting here with this level. Same as on the 4-hour chart. Also, as you can see here, we are near the blue moving average here, similar to this point in time here. By the way, if you want to have this indicator, then I suggest you join my Telegram group. Link is down below. This will get you access to my up to now free membership. It has one of the indicators. It has a 1-hour trading course as well that explains how to build your own strategy. So join while it's still free. This may change for new members in the future. One more thing I want to say about this chart here. As it's very new, we don't know too much yet about its DNA. And that's a term I really like to use. And that explains how a specific financial instrument, in that case here, Notcoin, is reacting to specific situations, bullish situations, bearish situations, sideways ranges, and how it reacts to my indicators. So for example, many assets react to these levels here that my indicator very sharp. This means one candle close above it and we go up. As you can see here for Notcoin, we have a first DNA pattern. And that is if we close below it, we see another washout or fake out and then continue upwards. Then we actually get retests and then travel up further in this case. Here again, first washout, close above it again, retests. And same goes for the signal here at the bottom. So this makes every new token an adventure in the beginning. In the end, I think Notcoin has a bright future. And of course, we will see the top of this wick and go much further in this bull cycle. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please ask yourself why and do it now. You really don't want to miss any of the next videos. As always, this was not financial advice. Do your own research. This was Phil Prince for you. Until next time, crush the markets. Goodbye.